Hey guys, it's me, Urban Gardener, and today we're going to be unboxing the Mini T 2.0 from Losi. So what we have here is the Losi Mini T 2.0. They redesigned it and based it off of the Losi 22 platform. It's ready to run and everything is included in the box. It's got a waterproof electronic speed control, servo, and receiver. So the thing is fully waterproof. It comes with a Dynamite 7.4 volt 650 milliamp LiPo battery and a USB 1-hour charger. So it really does have everything in the box, including the charger. So let's go ahead and break these factory seals and see what's inside. All right, I have the factory seals popped here, so let's go ahead and open up the box and check it out. So here we go. We have, first of all, it looks like all the aluminum parts list that you can get for it. Awesome. Then right here we have the manual with batteries and a little box wrench inside of there. Right here we have the remote control. So there's the remote control, 2.4 gigahertz. Also in this little bubble wrap package here, we have the little USB charger there. So now let's take out this little piece here and take a look at the actual car. Got some pretty solid tie rods there. It's got oil-filled shocks, and you can get the aluminum upgrades for it. Let's go ahead and take off the body here and take a look inside. Okay, and there you go. There's the setup. Definitely a change from the original version of the Losi Mini T, which I also have. So it does have a 280 brushed motor in there, but I actually have the Horizon Hobbies Dynamite brushless motor that I'm pretty much going to throw in there right out of the box. So that is a brushless motor that has a built-in speed control, so we'll lose this too, and it'll lighten up the car a little bit as well. So with that, guys, there's the unboxing of the Losi Mini T 2.0 ready to run. Everything you need is in the box, including the batteries and the charger. So keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.